So, eto guys, matindi to, mga sangkay. Dahil nga po, itong South Korea ngayon ay meron pong isang malaking proyekto. Ito po ay weapon, mga sangkay, laban po sa mga missile na kaya pong mag-shutdown ng kahit anong paparating na mga missile. Na kung tawagin ay laser weapons o mas kilala, mga sangkay, sa katawagang Star Wars. So, alamin po natin itong malaking project ng South Korea pagdating po sa military defense. Hello, what's up mga sangkay? This is me. I'm back for another vlog today. Pag-uusapan po natin itong malaking proyekto ngayon ng South Korea, no? Pagdating po sa military defense nila, na usap-usapan po ito ngayon sa international dahil po sa lupit, dahil po sa pagiging advance, na ang tawag po dito ay Star Wars. Malamang familiar kayo, mga sangkay, no? Dahil sa mga napapanood po natin dati. But anyway, before we start guys, paki-subscribe po muna yung ating YouTube channel. Ayan po. At ang good news guys, 1.25 million subscribers na po tayo dito sa YouTube. Parami po tayo ng parami. Pangat po tayo ng pangat. So ano pang hinihintay mo? I-subscribe una yung ating YouTube channel. Makikita nyo po yung subscribe button sa ibaba. Pindutin nyo lamang po yan. Then click the bell and click all. Sa mga nanonood po sa Facebook, i-follow nyo po yung ating Facebook page. Okay guys, eto po yung balita kasi. First South Korean laser weapons to shut down North Korean drones. Ngayon ito mga sangkay. South Korea's Project Star Wars. Yan po yung pangalan talaga mga sangkay. To shoot North Korean drones. Ito po ay laser system jointly made. So, tingnan po natin ang balitang to.
And in South Korea, Seoul is set to deploy laser weapons to shoot down drones coming from North Korea. The program, dubbed the Star Wars Project, could begin as soon as this year. Now, authorities say these...
Ayan, no? Seoul to deploy laser weapons under the project.
Laser weapons.
South Korea to use laser weapons against North Korean drones. Kasi ang North Korea po talaga very aggressive against South Korea. So ngayon, gumawa po sila ng isang malaking project. At malamang magastos po ito mga sangkay.
Weapons are quiet, invisible, and cost just over $1 per shot.
Grabe.
With this advanced capability, South Korea will become the first nation to deploy and utilize laser weapons.
Grabe, no? Ito pala ay laser weapon. South Korea, kauna-unahang bansa na makakagawa ng ganitong klaseng pangdepensa sa kanilang military o sa kanilang bansa mismo.
Our next report takes a deeper look at the ambitious program.
In the year 1950, North Korea and South Korea went to war. The two neighbors fought for 3 years and it ended in an armistice, not a peace agreement. So, almost 75 years on, they're technically still at war. And now, relations between Pyongyang and Seoul are more tense than ever. In the latest, South Korea has planned to deploy laser weapons to shoot down North Korean drones that cross into its territory. Laser weapons are basically a type of directed energy weapon that uses laser to inflict damage upon enemy weapons.
Ito, matindi to. Ano na to, mga sangkay? May science na po dito, no? Talagang na-compute na nila yung timing, mga sangkay, kung papaano tatama itong laser. Ganun po siya ka-advance. So, siguro mas mas advanced pa po sa Iron Dome ng Israel. Kasi, di ba yung Iron Dome, yun din po yung nag-intercept ng mga pumapasok ng mga missile. So, ibig sabihin, mga sangkay, hindi ko alam kung gaano kabilis eh. Pero siguro mas mabilis pitong laser na makapag-intercept ng any weapons na papasok.
South Korea's arms procurement agency, the Defense Acquisition Program Administration or the DAPA, says the laser program will be known
Yan po, ito po siya eh. Yan po yung itsura niya eh.
as the Star Wars Project, and it could begin as soon as this year.
Star Wars Project.
With this project, South Korea will become the world's first country to deploy and operate such weapons in the military.
South Korea, sila ang kauna-unahan mga sangkay.
According to the DAPA, the South Korean military, along with the aerospace company Hanwha, has developed these drone zapping laser weapons.
Grabe ang bilis. Sobrang bilis pala niyan kasi 10 to 20 seconds lang. May intercept na po yung papasok na weapon.
They are effective and cost just around $1.45 per shot.
Teka lang. Magkano daw?
$1.45 per shot. They are effective and cost just around $1.45 per shot.
Okay.
Authorities say the laser weapons are quiet and invisible, and they shoot down flying drones by burning down engines and other electric equipment in the drones.
Okay. So, hindi siya hindi siya nakikita daw mga sangkay itong laser weapon.
Their beams of light are so quick that they can destroy the enemy drones in just 10 to 20 seconds.
Grabe, sobrang bilis, guys.
In December 2022, 5 drones from North Korea breached the South Korean airspace, which prompted Seoul to deploy fighter jets and attack helicopters in order to shoot them down.
Ganyang ka-effort pa nung una mga sangkay ang South Korea kung paano magpabagsak ng mga drones from North Korea kasi sobrang loko-loko talaga ito si Kim Jong-un. Itong mga taga-North, nagde-deploy po ng mga weapons na hindi naman po mga sangkay pinapatama sa mismong lokasyon ng kalupaan ng South Korea. Pero mga sangkay, pag tumama yan, edi mahihirapan po sila at saka malaking gulo yun. So dito, nakapag-create na po sila. Sige, mag-invest tayo sa ganitong klaseng weapon na mag-i-intercept ng lahat ng drones mula po sa North Korea. At sa tingin ko, hindi lang sa drones ito. Okay, kundi sa iba pang mga weapons na pwedeng pumasok sa South.
This was the first such intrusion since 2017, highlighting the tensions between the neighbors. Notably, the Korean War ended in an armistice in 1953. An armistice is an agreement by opposing sides at war that they will suspend hostilities temporarily.
Itong pag-e-end ng war ng South Korea and North, mga sangkay, hindi talaga matatawag na tawag dito, total ending ng war. Kundi lang yun, ceasefire. Kaya nga po until now, nag-aaway pa rin po yung dalawang bansang to. Bagamat wala pong, wala pa pong bakbakan na nagaganap. Pero, hindi natin alam kasi tumitindi po yung sigalot. Grabe yung ginagawa ngayon ng North Korea.
The two Koreas now have a demilitarized zone, or the DMZ, which is a border barrier that divides the Korean peninsula roughly in half.
Border lang yan mga sangkay. Kapag may magkamali dyan, isa sa kanila, talagang grabing bakbakan. Lagi pong pinagmamalaki ng North yung kanilang nuclear missile. Kaya mas okay ito mga sangkay. Meron na po silang drone intercept. Paano ba tawag dito mga sangkay? Basta laser weapons na kaya pong pumigil sa anumang weapon galing po sa North Korea.
The United States has time and again said that both North and South Korea have violated the armistice by sending drones into each other's airspace. It's worth noting that even countries like China, India, and the United Kingdom are racing to develop and deploy laser weapons.
Galing, no? Nag-ano pa lang sila, nag-iimbento, pero mayroon na po yung South Korea. Ayan, no? Countries including South Korea, China, and UK are racing to develop and deploy laser weapons, also known as directed energy weapons, according to US non-profit think tank RAND Corporation. Pero wala nauna na po yung South Korea mag-deploy ng ganitong klaseng weapon.
Laser weapons. A US non-profit think tank says these directed energy weapons could also help counter the proliferation of unmanned systems and target missiles in flight or satellites in orbit.
Galing, no? So ayan, mga sangkay, yan po yung napakalaking balita ngayon pagdating po sa global update. Grabe itong nagawa ngayon ng South Korea. Nakapag-create sila o nakagawa po sila ng ganong klaseng weapons na kayang pumigil. Laser lamang po siya at ang matindi doon, hindi daw po nakikita yung laser na ito. Kusa na lamang pong mawawala yung drones. So, ano po ang inyong komento tungkol po dito? Sa malaking nagawa ng South Korea, i-comment nyo po sa ibaba ang inyong mga opinion. Now guys, I invite you, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Ito po ay Sangkay Janjan Daily. I-subscribe nyo na mga Sangkay kasi alam nyo, mga siguro this year, umpisahan din namin na mag-upload dito ng iba pang mga travel vlogs, no? But iba pang mga content dito mga Sangkay. Kasama po yung magiging future wife ko. So, i-subscribe nyo na po ito. Then, click the bell and click all. So, marami po kayong mapapanood dito na matutuwa kayo mga Sangkay, okay? So, ako na po ay magpapaalam. Mag-iingat po ang lahat. God bless everyone.